This is the Skiff Street Bridge over Route 15 in Hamden, Connecticut. It's been under construction for a little while now. The bridge has to be rehabbed because it was built in 1948. Needed some work anyways, but in reconstructing the bridge, they're widening it to 4 lanes for cars, which is more than there was before. The good news is they built the sidewalk on the south side where there wasn't one before, but do we really need 4 lanes for cars over this bridge? Right now it's down to 2 lanes. People have to merge on either end. Seems to be working fine. I've been here at varying times of the day. If there is traffic over the bridge, it's because there's traffic signals at either end, and that's a limiting factor in why things back up. It's not because people have to merge. So you think, what could be better than 4 lanes for cars? Well, with just some paint striping changes, you could bring it down to 2 or even 3 lanes for cars and put bike lanes over the bridge. This is the Farmington Canal Trail, one of the most popular bike trails in the state of Connecticut. We've got an access point here, we've got an access point on the other side of the road. Put some bike lanes on Skiff Street. That would allow people using the trail to access all the businesses along Skiff Street. We've got Stop and Shop there, we've got some restaurants, clothing stores up there, we've got some nice restaurants on the other side of Skiff Street. Things that are a lot better than just more lanes for cars.